Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a new design in boho art. So for this we need a pencil, eraser, sharpener, and we need 000 number brush, a 4 number brush, and black acrylic paint. This is must, and in between we'll fill with some other paint. So let's start. So this is a canvas bag on which I'm going to draw. I'll draw in pencil first and then we will paint it with black color paint. I'll start giving outline with black color paint. In boho art, outlines are very prominent.
Boho style is a free-spirited aesthetic that mixes different cultures and artistic expressions into an eclectic style with an emphasis on organic elements and nature. When putting together your boho style space, mixing patterns, metal, wood, material, animal hides, and trinkets from your travel is highly encouraged. Today, the term bohemian describes someone with an unconventional, often dismissive view of social structures and traditions. Modern boho encompasses trends from the beatnik and hippie areas when the cultural aesthetic was similar to the bohemians, and it still represents a counterculture spirit. Often, boho colors are warm, pink, gold, yellow, and orange. But there are also plenty of cooler tones too, from turquoise to blue and the green of plants. Bohemian style is all about bright colors. The term Bohemian originally referred to Roma gypsies. So, think about all the fun colors and fringes that come to mind. Often, boho colors are warm, pink, gold, yellow, and orange. But there are also plenty of cooler tones also. Traditional farmhouse style usually has a more subtle and neutral color palette. One easy way to easily combine the two styles is to subdue the bright tones of bohemian interiors. For your boho farmhouse style, turn orange into rust, pink into a faded ochre, yellow into mustard, and blue into navy. Then use gold, which works for both styles. These could be textiles, sculptures, or paintings, each helping to foster individually. In addition to the handmade, we'll also find plenty of natural elements. This comes in the form of fabrics like burlap and sisal, as well as plants. Boho style is characterized by several key elements that create its unique aesthetic. These elements include an abundance of long, loose layers, tassels, fringes, natural fabrics, patchwork, and plenty of statement jewelry. Boho is an abbreviation for Bohemian homeless. That means nomads from the Bohemian region. These nomads were of gypsy ethnicity. This is why the boho style or boho chic is also called gypsy style. Bohemian nomads had a style and values very different from the other societies of the time. Thus, the boho represents a lifestyle rather than an aesthetic style.
With this, painting on this bag is complete. I hope you like this boho arts pattern. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. The information about my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.